Porsche revealed the following emphasis of its mission: the unadulterated battery-controlled electric vehicle stage in Geneva this week. In any case, rather than being a low-through-air car like the first Mission E presented in Frankfurt in fall 2015, this Cross Turismo is to a greater extent a high-riding, since a long time ago roofed vehicle, not precisely an electric Cayenne, but rather more like a lifted variant of a battery-fueled Panamera Sport Turismo. This bodes well. Indeed, even in the brief time frame since the principal uncover, the worldwide market, and especially the American and Chinese markets, for vehicles has moved from cars to hybrids at a fairly astounding rate. On the off chance that Porsche will dispatch a NEV, it bodes well to have prepared a vehicle that fits where the market is.